In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for school. We'll walk through setting up a comprehensive system to organize your classes, assignments, and course materials, ensuring you stay on top of everything throughout the academic year. Let's dive right in. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page, which we'll call Student Dashboard. This will be your main hub for all things school-related, acting as a central spot where you can easily access your schedules and other resources. The flexibility of Notion allows you to customize this dashboard to suit your personal needs and preferences, setting the stage for an organized and efficient workflow. Next, create a new table database. This is where you're going to lay out your weekly class timetable. Think of this table as your digital planner. As you fill it in, add your classes for each day of the week, complete with times and locations. Having this visual schedule will help you manage your time better and ensure you never miss a class. Following that, we're going to set up a gallery database to track your courses. This will be a visual representation of each course you're taking. Consider each entry in this gallery as a subject. You can add the course name, instructor information, and any other relevant details. This gallery view is both visually appealing and functional, giving you a quick snapshot of the courses you're enrolled in. With your gallery in place, you'll want to expand on it by creating a table database with a gallery view. This allows you to maintain a compact list-style view of your courses while having the flexibility to switch back to the gallery view whenever you want a different perspective. Now it's time to add your preferred properties to this setup, whether it's adding tags for course types, grading criteria, or notes sections. These properties will enable you to filter and sort your information more effectively. Tailoring these properties to your specific needs will enhance your ability to retrieve essential data quickly and efficiently. Create another table view where you'll add columns specifically to track your assignments or homework. Here, include spaces for assignment titles, details, due dates, and the class they belong to. This table will act as your academic to-do list, helping keep track of what tasks need your immediate attention. Next, integrate a calendar view into this table to monitor due dates. Having a visual calendar with assignment deadlines makes it easy to plan ahead and prioritize tasks based on urgency. As you update this calendar, it provides a dynamic view of busy periods and free time slots, perfect for efficient study planning. By following these steps, you'll have a robust, personalized system in place within Notion that keeps your school life organized. This approach not only supports your studies, but also enhances productivity, helping you stay focused and efficient throughout the year.